This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Visit the Envato Elements, and get a 7 days trial. Download anything absolutely free for 7 days. Check the first link in the description. Hey everyone, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. I am calling it a wedding title. As always, I am using the 1920 by 1080 resolution, and a frame rate of 60. You are free to use your own settings. Now the first step is to create the leaf element. You can always add the images, instead of creating the shape on your own. But because this is just one leaf, I'm going to create it by myself. So go to the tools and select the pen tool. Please note that my fill is set to none, and my stroke is set to a solid color. I am using this white color for the stroke. Now create a leaf element like this. Of course, you can make it much better than I did, but I am going with this one. Let's make the stem as well. And this is how it looks now. Let's rename this layer as the leaf. Then open it, and then its content. Then shape 2. Now open stroke, and choose the line cap to the round cap, and this is how it will look. Now we will add some animation to it. But first, we need to change the anchor point of this layer. So select the leaf layer, then grab the anchor point tool, by pressing Y on your keyboard, and place it right at the bottom of the layer. Now if you change any values, such as the rotation or scale, it will rotate using this anchor point. Perfect. Now go to the 1 second position, and add a keyframe on the rotation, as well as open scale, and add a keyframe on it. Then go to the first frame position, and change the scale value to 0. Then open rotation, and change the rotation value to -45. Check the animation, and this is how it looks. Now press U to reveal all keyframes, then go to around the position of the 40th frame, and change the scale value to 105%. It will make this bounce type of animation. Of course we will make it better. Now select all keyframes, and press F9 to ease them. Then open Graph Editor. In case your graph does not look like this, then right-click here, and choose Edit Speed Graph. If required, you can always zoom in on your timeline. Now change the curves to something like this. Select the rotation keyframes, and change its curves as well. Check the animation, and this is how it looks now. Not bad. Let's select the scale keyframes, and adjust the curves to something like this. And this is looking much better. Switch back to the main timeline, and then turn on motion blur by clicking here. Now one thing you may notice, the leaf is animating in the beginning, but after settling down, it is not moving at all. So we will add a rotation to it. Create a new null object, and call it rotation. Now grab the move tool, and place it right at the bottom of this stem. Now open rotation, then press and hold the Alt, or Option key on your keyboard, and click on this stopwatch icon to add an expression. In this expression box, type wiggle parentheses, 0.3, 10. Now we need to parent this null layer with the leaf element, so in case the parent tab is not available here, then right-click here, go to the columns and choose parent. As well as modes and switches, because we are going to need them. Now change the parent to rotation, and this is how it will look. Not bad. Let's change the end value to 5 instead of 10, and it will make it slower. I am also turning off the motion blur to speed up the animation. You can activate it later. Let's change the end value to 10. And it is looking much better. Now select the leaf layer, as well as the rotation layer, right-click on it, and choose Pre-compose. I'm calling it leaf, and then hit OK. Now open this leaf composition, and we will crop this comp. So click on this region of interest icon, and draw a rectangle like this. Make sure the leaf doesn't cut away. Adjust the size if you need it, and we are good to go. Now go to the composition, which you will find right at the top. And then select Crop Comp to the region of interest. It will crop the composition using the selection we just created. Perfect. Switch back to the main composition, then select the leaf layer, grab the anchor point tool by pressing Y on your keyboard, and place the anchor point of this layer right at the bottom. Perfect. Let's hide it for now. We will use it later. Now go to the tools, and select the ellipse tool. Here create an ellipse like this. Press and hold the Ctrl, or Command plus Shift on your keyboard to make it perfectly round. Change the stroke value to 5. Make sure to align it to the center, and then call it ring. Now click on Add, and choose Trim Paths. In case this add option is not available for you, then make sure to open your shape layer. Then click Add, and here select Trim Paths. Open Trim Paths, and we will use the end value for animating the path. So go to the 2-second position, and add a keyframe on the end. Change the end value to 100%. Then go to the first frame position, and change the value to 0%. And this is how it looks now. Now select both keyframes, and ease them. Now turn on the leaf layer, and adjust the scale value, so that it will look better with the circle. Select the Move tool, and place it at the ring we just created. You can zoom in to work on the details. Now, I want this leaf to start appearing, after the line crosses this section, so drag this comp to the right, and it will work fine. Perfect. Now make a duplicate of it, then press W to get the rotation tool, and rotate this leaf like this. Grab the Move tool, and place it right here. Now I am going to make multiple duplicates of this leaf layer, and changing the rotation, as well as the scale value of them. You should spend a little more time adjusting it. I am fast forwarding this step to save your time. Fit it 100%, and now if you check the animation, you will see all these leaf layers are moving all together. But I am going to place them at different timing. Just select a pair of the leaf, and place them a few frames to the right, to create a difference in time appearance. Select top layers as well, and place them like this. And this is how it will look now. This is looking much better. Now select all leaf layers, right-click on them, and choose Pre-compose. I'm calling it Leaf Collection, and then hit OK. Let's adjust the rotation, and place it right here. Now make a duplicate of it. I am going to place it right here, and adjust the rotation, as well as the position, to place it right at the ring. Fit it 100%, let's place this second copy at around 1 second, so that it will appear after a few frames. Check the animation, and this is how it will look now. Perfect. Take some time to adjust the timing, And now we are moving to the next step. Go to the tools, and select the text tool. Please note that I am using this Fairwater script font. You can download it from the link in the description. Now click anywhere on the screen, and start typing your text. I am adding my text to a single text layer. OK. Now eject from the typing box, then change the text size to around 130 pixels, and place it right here. Let's change the font size to 86 pixels, and adjust the typography. In case you want to learn more about this text feature, let me know in the comment, and I will make a separate video on it. And this is how my text looks. Now grab the Move tool, and place it right into the center. Now I will add some text animation to it. Make sure you are at the first frame, then go to the effects and the presets, and search for the 3D Basic Position Z Cascade. Double-click on it, to apply it to the text layer, or you can drag it. The text will start animating, but this is not looking that attractive. Let's make it beautiful. Open this text layer, then Text. Now Animator 1, and then the Range Selector 1. Here open Advance, and change the ease low value to 100%. It is looking much better. Now we just need to do one thing. Scroll to the top, now right in front of the Animator 1, you will have this Add option. Click on it, go to the property, and choose Blur. Change the blur value to 50, and it will add this nice blur effect. Just place this layer at 30 frames, and we are good to go. Check the animation, and now we are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace. Design video products faster, with Envato Elements. Get unlimited download After Effects template, stock footage, fonts, music files, and web templates. Visit the Envato Elements. Check the first link in the description.